Hey everyone. So I went on Twitter and I looked up the CBITS program that the Children Violence and Trauma Interventions in Schools video was talking about. Um, and I found a bunch of posts. Like here's this first one, or here's this one by Douglas Walker. They deep dived in one of the CBITS program, focused on trauma narrative and helping students process trauma. It's really neat that you can find all this kind of stuff on Twitter. And then here, if you go up here, you just type student mental health, like Professor told us. You get all types of different things. Like even if you just type in student mental health, you're gonna find a bunch of pages that are gonna like. Here, I'll show. Like this page here, I looked at it for a little bit, and it's just like it says here. They set up this page in order for younger students to come in and just have positive vibes through this Twitter page. Like, do what makes you happy. You don't owe anyone anything. Just some positive vibe things. Be yourself. People don't have to like you, and you don't have to care. So all these different points are kind of touching on the videos because both the videos were about trauma and helping younger students, and I think that's what all these points are just there to have positive vibes for people. I guess some of these type of posts, these positive posts, are gonna be there to make people happy, and and the something like that CBITS post, that one. I mean, what emotion would that bring to you? That's just something like, hopefully that's another joy thing because they're helping the students. And then, in what ways has the post made you consider trauma more deeply than you had before? I guess I never really thought about student mental health being such a big deal, but it truly is when you think about it, because you got to think about kids being abused and coming to school. And even like here, I know I saw one about sports down here somewhere, but it was about student athletes and how they're getting out awareness of student mental health. And it's it's definitely something that's got to be thought of while teaching a classroom of kids, for sure.